Let's start off with a question in today's video. Leave me a comment down below. What is the sector that has the most momentum and the most catalyst and really the most opportunity for short-term massive gains? Leave me a comment down below, but in my opinion, that is of course the biotech sector. So guys, in today's video, I want to show you 3 biotech stocks that ran substantially, and then I'm going to show you exactly how you can get on some of these massive catalyst plays and these big momentum plays before anyone else. But of course, guys, I want to welcome all of you back to viralstocks.io, where for over 5 years we have been providing this free service to an absolutely countless number of traders to provide you guys with the best microcap stocks that are focused on short-term high probability trading opportunities. Remember, we are not here to find the next long-term dividend play for you guys. We are here to find and alert you guys with our opportunity of the best penny stock momentum plays on the Nasdaq and on the NYSE. Now, of course, none of it is financial advice whatsoever. We give you these plays to present an opportunity, not necessarily to tell you you need to buy these stocks. It is just an opportunity, and of course, you can take that opportunity if you so wish. But guys, like I said, we have been able to capitalize on 2, 5, and even 10x stocks multiple times over and over again with viralstocks.io. So if you guys want to be able to capitalize on this opportunity, make sure and head to that link in the description below, where you guys, all you have to do is enter in your email to receive those free Nasdaq and NYSE stock alerts. Enter your email down below and you will get these alerts sent to you. And guys, make sure to take it a step further and enter in your phone number. Obviously, email is not extremely fast and text messages are much faster. So if you guys enter in your text number here, you will be able to get these texts alerted to you as soon as we send them, which is much faster than email. Also understand, guys, 1, like I said, this is absolutely completely free. We're never going to charge you $1. And 2, do not expect to be spammed with a bunch of stocks or a bunch of garbage. That is not how this operates. We will only be emailing you and only be texting you guys strictly when we have a stock opportunity. That is it. So I do want to make sure and stress that to you guys, that you will not be getting a bunch of garbage. You will only be getting stock alerts when we send them out if you type in your phone number and email. But also, when you type in your email, you'll be able to download that completely free ebook right here, where we'll teach you the ins and outs of penny stocks. That alone will help take your trading of penny stocks to the next level as we show you guys the ins and outs. But with that said, let's jump over here to our website and take a look at these 3 hot Nasdaq biotech stocks. This article was just written today on January 11th, 2022. So as we can see, so far 2022 has really not shaped up to be as good as we thought it was here, and we pretty much can all thank Jay Powell for that, as he completely knocked the wind out of the markets when he spoke just a few days ago. There are plenty of opportunities for our subscribers in Nasdaq and NYSE penny stocks with low floats, news, and a significant short position. All of this which could make those stocks go up in a very quick amount of time, and are the type of stocks that we alert to our subscribers. But to be honest, guys, while this big macro picture of many blue chip and bigger stocks aren't looking so hot right now for the short term, however, that does not matter to us whatsoever, because there are still many opportunities in this stock market, many opportunities that we look at. Penny stocks, low float Nasdaq plays with major catalysts. That is what we are looking for. And of course, there is never a shortage of high catalyst stocks, penny stocks that is, no matter what kind of market we are in. For investors, we preach the key to trading these penny stocks is finding the momentum before it happens and ahead of the crowd. Of course, nobody wants to get in after the run already happened, so we specialize in sending our alerts out right as the market opens, so you guys have that opportunity to get into these stocks if you want to before the momentum actually catches. That is obviously the value of having your free subscription to viralstocks.io, which you can sign up for in the link in the description below. And of course, on this YouTube channel, you can get a sense of what we look for in identifying these hot Nasdaq and NYSE stock alerts, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you here as we talk about biotech stocks. So obviously, biotech stocks trading on the Nasdaq are some of the best opportunities for investors. They give out massive catalysts. It's usually related to FDA approvals, but we have other catalysts that I'm going to show you in today's video. These opportunities usually present anywhere from 20 to well over 100% gains almost in a day's time. So very quick runners here with biotech stocks, because they are just catalysts that have been waiting until they finally happen and they finally rip. So guys, the first stock on today's list is BCRX. BCRX ran 27% to start the trading week, and if we jump over, we can can see exactly why this stock ran. So BioCryst reported preliminary fourth quarter revenue figures for its lead drug, Orladeyo, hopefully I'm saying that right, that completely exceeded expectations. In addition to strong growth at the end of 2021, the company confidently predicted their drug sales will more than double in 2022. So as we can see on this news, shares of BCRX are soaring in response to the unaudited sales figures from the fourth quarter and projections for the entire year. All of this news has pushed the stock up about 22.1% higher on Monday. And as we can see, guys, this article was written pre-market, so even just today, you had a chance to capitalize on over 20% gains at its highs, and it's still about 16% on the day today. So this stock is continuing to run even after that massive catalyst was announced. And obviously, this was all after the FDA approved its first drug. So the important part was here, approval of that first drug. The FDA approval was a major catalyst that we could have capitalized on. And then in addition to that, not only did the drug get approved, but a year later now it's showing very positive sales numbers and even more positive sales expectations for this upcoming year. This is a stock that fits all of our criteria perfect and creates that catalyst opportunity at hand. As we can see, BCRX has a current market cap of just $2.86 billion, and if that drug can do $1 billion in sales like is expected, this stock is very, very cheap at its current levels, especially when you consider that BCRX did just $114 million in sales last year, and you can take a look what that did to the stock price. So essentially, if they can do $1 billion in sales and stay at this same price to sales ratio, they could be almost 10x undervalued at this current price. Now, the next stock on this list is ticker symbol LIXT. This stock has risen over 90% just in the past 5 trading days, and this comes after another catalyst that came out, of course, of big cancer treating news. As we can see, LIXT had some big news after preclinical research supporting its lead asset. So as we can see here from Seeking Alpha, NanoCap, LIXT has added 114.8% in the pre-market on above average volume after the company shared results of preclinical studies to support the potential of its lead asset, which is a protein phosphate inhibitor. The experimental therapy was found to have improved the responsiveness of diverse cancers to immunotherapy. So once again, very good news, very important in another stock that we would be looking at, or a similar catalyst to be able to capitalize on the opportunity. Once again, even today, this stock ran up over 14% at its highs, and over the last 5 trading days has literally went up over double. LIXT has just 4.52 million shares in the float and has just a $35 million market cap. They also have a 52-week high of over $7 per share, and it's not going to take much to get this stock running and back to those all-time highs, which obviously it has a long way to go before it would get back up to $7 per share, almost 5x potential. Now, the last stock on today's list is one that we have been talking about a lot, and this is ticker symbol IMMX. We talked about this one last week, and after dipping below $5, IMMX is up over 20% to close at just above $6 per share. And as we can see, IMX has won over the past 1 month that has just been going up and up and up almost 50% over the last 1 month, with just a recent pullback in the last couple of trading days. Investors got extremely excited about IMMX last week after the company announced that FDA approval has been granted, which obviously is huge. Now, we knew that there was going to be many opportunities with this stock. We said in our last profile, after opening up at $7 and running to over $8, the close under $6 was rather disappointing, obviously related to profit taking. We will be watching and updating this stock for opportunities in IMMX. It says the dip below $5 was the opportunity that we were looking for. With just 4.12 million shares in the float, look for IMMX to get hot again. The bottom line here, though, guys, obviously all 3 of these stocks that we discussed in today's video have already shown explosive moves. We look for Nasdaq stocks that have yet to make their explosive moves, and those are the ones that we notify you about, similar to these with massive catalysts that you can capitalize on those short-term opportunities. Obviously, like I said, even though the rest of the market is a little iffy right now, there are plenty of opportunities for their short-term penny stocks, and we take our time every single day, every single morning to monitor hundreds of penny stocks to buy each week, trying to find only the best alerts for our subscribers. No, we don't send you 100 alerts a week. That would be completely unrealistic. We monitor that many, and we just picked a select few to be able to send you guys. We are running those screens every single morning looking for news on low float runners that can squeeze the short. Sure, you guys can do a lot of this stuff on your own through different screeners, but we provide you that service for free, so why not save yourself some time and take advantage on that opportunity? So it says, when viral stocks have a stock alert, it can pay to listen. After all, our free newsletter has found many triple-digit winners for our subscribers. We specialize in finding momentum before it happens. So guys, if you want to do this, make sure and head over to viralstocks.io or just click that link in the description where you guys can put in your email to receive those free Nasdaq and NYSE stock alerts, and make sure to put it in your phone number here so you guys can not only receive these alerts much faster, but also get your completely free penny stock ebook. With that said though, guys, that is pretty much all I have in today's video. As always, guys, just like we say, a good luck to everyone except the shorts, because those are the guys that we are gonna squeeze out.